So now let us create a new Google Ads account. I am at Google Ads page. You'll get the URL of this in the description box as well as the pinned comments. You can create your own Google Ads account. So now let us create a new Google Ads account. I will be using this Gmail ID. I am rprk@gmail.com. Since I have not used a Google account or Google Ad account with this Gmail, so this will be completely new for me as well. Create on new Google Ads account. Click on this in order to create a new account. So once you reach this step, you have create your first campaign in a few simple steps. Click on create your first campaign. So this is a business name which I thought of using, but now it is changed. So let me change this as well. Now the website URL also has been changed. Let me change this as well. Now you can write your business name and your website's URL here. So now it is done. Business name is Digital Ditya. The website URL is digitalditya.com. Once you do this, click on next. So once you click on next, you have an option to link your YouTube channel and Google business profile. If you already have a Google business profile, you can connect. And if you have a YouTube channel with the same name as your business or maybe a different name, you can click on link and link your business profile and YouTube channel. Since I don't want any of those things, I'll leave it as it is. When you scroll down, you get link more accounts. If you have a mobile app, you can even link it. So click on add and see what are the options available. Now, if you have an Android app or iOS app, you can paste the link or the name of the app here in this section. Now it says if you have app for both Android and iOS versions, you will need to create separate campaigns for each version. So if I select Android and start giving an ad or create a campaign, in order to give ad for iOS, I need to create a new campaign. That is what it is. Now we don't have any app, so let it be as it is. Now you can add your phone number as well. Let people call right from your ads. If you want to add your contact number, you can even add it. Click on add, select a country which you want to choose and add your phone number. No, I'll not be adding this. Let it be as it is. Click on next. So once I click on next, this is the advertising goal. What does it mean? Get more calls, get more website sales or leads, get more visits to a physical location, get more views and engagement on your YouTube. This simply means what do you want from this ad? Do you want more calls from the customers? Do you want your customers to visit your website? Do you want your customers to visit you personally at your store? And you can also give this option. If you want your videos to have a much better reach, you can even go with Google Ads. Now I want get more website sales or leads. Let me select this, then click on next. So here is an option to call. See this? If you have any doubts or if you need any help from Google, you can contact this number. It is 1800-572-8304. Now, it is asking for me to connect my Google Analytics account with my Google Ads account. Since we know how to connect it, I'll skip this part. If you don't know how to connect Google Ads and Google Analytics, click on the I button and check the video. I'll be also listing the video in the description box as well as the pinned comments. You can have a look at it. Now let me skip it. Click on skip. So once I do that, Based on the content which was there on my website, it has separated some content and it has given the headlines. Now we can change these headlines if we require anything. For now, let it be as it is. Based on your business, you can change accordingly. These are the headlines: creative marketing agency, professional marketing agency, market your business with us. If you know what are the keywords which people will search on the internet, you can use those things. So for now, I'll not teach writing. This is class of Google Ads. Let us continue with ads. Now we also have description 1 and description 2. Now this is how our ad will look. Marketing agency, digital Ditya. Now this is the description. This is how our ad will look on Google ad search or Google search results. Now here we have show a call button in your ad. If you want people to call, you can use this button. So if I write some random number, I'll use the same number. Let me use this. Okay, it is not letting me to copy. I'll add it. 74104 10123. Okay, now it's done. You can say this. There is an option called call business. If you want this option, you can keep it, or else you can just do this. The call button is gone. After you write the description, click on next. So this is the important part where you use keywords. This is where you have to use the proper keywords. Now, we have some keywords: digital agency, digital content marketing agency, social media marketing agency. You can add keywords according to your business. Now, I'm in a digital marketing agency business, so I'll use these kind of keywords. You may be into different business. You can add different set of keywords. Now, if you want to add some more keywords, click on new keyword theme and add it. Now, let me write digital marketing course. Let us see if the option is available or not. Okay, it's there, digital marketing course. So whenever people search for digital marketing course as well, there is some possibility that my ad or my website will also be displayed. Now, once you're done with keywords, you can add these as well. Click on next. Now, in this section, you can decide what is the state, the country, or even a particular area. Now, this is selected as India. You can even advertise near a particular address. When you click this, you can enter an address here. I won't be specific with an address. I'll select some regions. In order to do that, click this. Now, I don't want to give ad all over India. Let me select some cities and some pin codes. We can do that. You can cancel this. Now see an example. So this is a pin code. See, this is a pin code. I can even type it. So only in this area, my ads will be displayed. Now, if I want to add Bangalore, I can even do that. You can see Bangalore. You can add multiple locations and multiple pin codes, state, city, or even country. See this, I'll be using a different country. You can even give you ads on this particular country. So I have used Spain. You can see the results. So my ad will be displayed on this particular pin code, Bangalore, as well as the entire country, Spain. Now, once you do this targeting, click on next. Now, this is a place where you set a budget, and we are almost at the end of first campaign. So now here is an estimate. 41 rupees daily average. On a month, it is 1,246. If you want to use this, you can use it, or else you can enter your own budget. So when you enter your own budget, this is typical competitor budget. Based on the industry, the budget varies. You can see this. With limited amount of budget, this is a warning. With a budget lower than your competitor range, your ads may not get you noticeable results. That means it is asking us to keep a budget within this range. You can see this is a typical competitor's budget. When you cross this, you may even cross your competitors. Some people will also keep 3,000 on a daily basis, depends on the business, and it also depends on their ad budget. Once you do these things, click on next. So this is a preview of our ad, how it looks. You can see this. It will be sponsored. Here we have campaign name as Creative Marketing Agency. This is auto-generated campaigns. This is auto-generated campaign name. If you want to change it, you can change it, or else let it be as it is. See this. This is one type of campaign or ad which you can give. Click on next. So here it asks for payment information. Our country is India and the time zone of India is plus 5:30. Now here we can add our payment method. Debit or credit card, net banking, pay with bank transfer, or we can even use Paytm wallet. You can see this. We can use any of these things. Now let me cancel this. So once you do all these things, click on I agree. If you want personalized guidance from Google Ads, click on yes, or else click on no. Depends on you, depends on your interest. Once you pay Google Ads, it will take some time to review your ad and your ad will be displayed. Once you do this, you click on submit. Now, since we haven't paid anything, let us see what happens. See, until or unless we pay this, it won't go to the next step. So this is one of the ways which you can give ads with the Google Ads account. Now, once we have given an ad, there will be a different procedure in order to create a new campaign. We will also learn it.